My name is Sierra Flores, and I am the Everyday Educator. That was a little theatrical, no? So, if you're new here, hello, welcome. Thank you for stopping by. If you're returning, thank you so much. I adore you. If you're brand new here, my name is Sierra, and I make videos centered around educational technology. And sometimes I'll throw in a vlog here or there, and I'll state my opinion. And sometimes I even review products. But who knows? I just love to teach, and teaching is what I do. If that's something that interests you, please stick around and maybe subscribe. I want to teach you all about the tools that you can use that are going to change your life. It's going to make it a lot easier whenever you're teaching online. The first thing an effective educator needs to have when teaching online is proper lighting. Now, you can't be in your office or in your bedroom, at your kitchen table, wherever you're teaching. You can't be there sitting in the dark. I mean, if I turn off my lights right now, look, and that was just with one light. Turn off the other one. Oh, well, actually, it's not as bad, but it's a lot better whenever I have all of my lights on. So I would definitely suggest that you invest in just a quick pair of lights, one ring light, something, so that you can illuminate your face and allow your students and other teachers to see you better. The next item on my list for you to focus on is the audio. You have to have top-notch audio if you are going to be teaching purely virtually. So they make several different classes of USB microphones that you literally just plug into the side of your computer, plug it into your desktop, and it'll amplify your voice and have you, it'll allow you to have that crystal clear audio so that your kids can hear you very clearly. Another alternative to that is to get a set of headphones that have a built-in microphone. Think about the gamers, how the like Xbox gamers, they'll have like a, I don't know, some headphones, and then they'll have the mic so that they can communicate with each other. That's another option. And I'll have both of those linked below with an Amazon affiliate link so that you can kind of look at that and see what some of your options are. But I've noticed that for me, I really like having the headphone with the mic attached because that allows me to kind of block out whatever's going on around me, and I can just focus on the kids in the Zoom and make the best use of my time. The next item on my list is an extra computer monitor. And so that way you can have two screens. Super beneficial with online teaching because you can monitor your chat and your emails on one screen. Then on the other screen, you can actually have your Zoom or your Google Meet with all your kids there and present. And I love it because it's so much better because you can see more and you can do more. And it's not just for that teaching aspect, it's for an organizational aspect as well. Whenever you are doing report cards, for example, you can have their Google Drive pulled up. So you're actually grading their essays and then also keeping notes on it and then inputting your grades. And so there's a lot of reasons why you should have a dual monitor system if you're going to be teaching from home or working from home in general. It's just dual monitor all the way. The next item on my list is blue light glasses. So there are a lot of stories circulating about the benefits of blue light glasses, and then some people call it a hoax and think it's just a placebo effect that's happening. For me personally, I can't speak to what everyone else says, but for me, I work with technology, and so I'm constantly on computers, constantly fixing computers, constantly looking at screens. And then even when I'm not looking at screens, I'm on my phone. And so that's just another little blue screen. So for me to cut down on the amount of headaches that I get and eye strain, personally, I use my blue light glasses all the time. And I've noticed that it's helped me a lot. So with those, I know that you can get them on Amazon, which is where I got mine. You can also do Warby Parker. I know they have a line of blue light. And then if you need actual glasses to help you see, you can get those in blue light as well. But me, I'm not a type that wears glasses. I have awesome vision, so I don't wear glasses. So the ones that I have, it's just the plastic there, and it's just clear plastic, blue light, protects my eyes, don't get headaches, no more eye strain. Boom. The next item on my list is a document camera. Now, some schools will purchase this for you because they could be a little expensive depending on the quality of the camera that you get. But with a document camera, it's just, there's nothing like it. You can put the camera, have it facing your notebook, and as you are writing in your notebook, your children can see what you're writing. When you're reading books with your class, put the document camera so that it shows the book you're reading, and then your kids are able to read along with you. And it's great for solving math problems, reading books. It's great for showing examples. This is like the digital writing pad, but only amped up a little because it's a literal camera that will show, zoom in, focus, zoom out, and some of them nowadays even have a recording feature, which is crazy, like how far technology has come. But I will link for you below one of my favorite style document cameras so that you can read the reviews and try it out yourself. And it does make a big difference. But first, I would ask my principal if he or she could foot the bill for a dot cam, because I promise you, once you use one of these, you will not go back. The next item on my list is a digital writing pad. Now, a digital writing pad looks kind of like this. It's about this shape, this size, and it has a special pen that goes with it. And so as you write on your digital writing pad, anything that appears here shows up on your screen, and your students can see that as they're in their Zoom class or Google Meet with you. And so I love it because you can do math problems here and show your kids exactly how to solve that problem. And I don't have to write on a piece of paper and then say, hey, look, can you see what it says? Does it make sense? Okay, let me try to write it bigger. You can avoid that. Get the digital ThinkPad and put your words literally on the screen. The last thing on my list that's going to make your life easier for virtual teaching, it's just having your dedicated office space that is for you and only you. And in that office space, have everything you need at an arm's length. So your post-it notes, your notebook, your pens, have little visual cue cards that you can hold up that have the same symbols on them that your video software has. So for example, if you're using Zoom, have a mute picture, but it needs to be the same exact icon that is on your Zoom screen. If you're using Google Meet, if you're using Big Blue Button, whatever you're using, make sure that the symbols you're holding up, the visual cues, that symbol needs to match whatever your signal is. So some common ones are holding up a sign that says, please mute, or please unmute, please share your screen. Class is over in 5 minutes. I don't know. There are a lot of different ready-made packages that have the visual cues that are there for you. You just print it out. So that was my final tip for things that are going to just make your life easier as a virtual teacher. If you like this video, please click like and share it with someone else who may benefit. And then, of course, don't forget to subscribe.